Hello, what's up gamers? What's going on? Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant connection error. Now if you wanna try to open Valorant gaming panel and you see this kind of error that says error code VAN-79, then this video is for you. But unfortunately there is not a single step solution for this issue. So you have to watch the complete video and apply all the steps, and please let me know in the comment box which steps is working for you. So the first step that we are going to follow is that turn on the VGC service and set it as automatic and then start the service. Okay, let's see. In the search bar you have to type services, okay, and hit enter. Now over here select any of the service and press V in the keyboard, and now you can see VGC. Just select this one, right click on it and click on properties. Now set the startup type as automatic. Please make sure you don't select automatic delete start. You need to select automatic and then hit apply and OK. Now right click on it again and click on start. If you don't see this option, then you have to stop once, then start it again. Okay. Once you start the service, if you face any issue during starting the service, then what you have to do, you just need to restart your computer once from here, and once you restart, please don't open any application, just come here in the services panel and now search VGC and right click and click on start. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to do and see if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you have to move to the next step, and that is run cmd as administrator and run these two commands. So let us type cmd in the search bar, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now over here you have to type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Once you successfully reset the winsock catalog, now you have to paste the second command. I have given all the comments in the description box. You can collect it from there also. So the second command is ipconfig space //flushdns. Now it will flush the DNS. Hit enter. So DNS cache has been flushed successfully. Once you have done this, now you need to restart your computer. This is very crucial, and I know it's very frustrating for you to restart your computer again and again, but there is nothing to do. You have to restart it once. So once you restart and come back to the page, and now please try to open the Valorant application and see if it is working or not. If it doesn't work, then you have to move to the next step, and that is if step 1 and step 2 doesn't work for you. But before moving to the next step, you need to do one more thing, that is change the DNS to manual. How we can do? Just go to the search bar and type control panel and open the control panel. Now please make sure view selected as small icons. Now go to networks and sharing centers, and under here change adapter settings, and now you can see this is my active connection. If you are using Ethernet, then you have to select this one. So I am using a LAN card, so I will use this one. Right click on it, click on properties. Over here you have to find the IPv4, that is Internet Protocol version 4. Select this one, double click on it, and now use the following DNS server address. Here you can put the Cloudflare DNS address or the Google DNS. So I'll put Google one, 8.8.8.8, and alternate DNS is 8.8.4.4. So if you wanna use the Cloudflare DNS, then you have to put 1.1.1.1 at the first place, and in the alternate phase you have to put 1.0.0.1. Okay, so once you have done all these things, now you need to click on OK and done. Now please restart your computer once. This is very necessary. Please listen to me. You have to restart your computer. Okay. Once you restart your computer, now you have to see if it's working or not. If it doesn't work, then you have to move to the next step, and this is very important step, that you have to check for Windows updates. So go to settings. Then in the left panel, you have to select Windows Update and then check for updates. And if there is any pending update, then please complete the update and restart your computer. Once the update is complete, then you can check if the game is working or not. You can see there is an update for my computer. Then we have to restart and update our computer. Till now your problem should be fixed. If not, then you have to reset the network and restart your computer. So how we can do that? Go to settings again and select network and internet. Scroll down, advanced network settings, network reset, and click on reset now. Click on yes. Once you reset your network, you can see everything has been reset and it says you are about to sign out. Close and restart your computer. Till now, for at least 90% of the people, their problem is fixed. If not, then you have to move to the next step, and that is the last step. You have to uninstall and reinstall the Vanguard. But before you do that, you have to do another thing. Now right click on this Valorant icon and click on properties. Okay, now you select the compatibility tab and please make sure disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Please check these two items and then hit apply and OK. Once you have done all these things, now most probably your problem is fixed. If not, please let me know in the comment box. I would be more than happy to help you out. So thank you for watching the video till the end. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned.